So here's how you can add text behind a person in your Capcut. So first you want to open up Capcut, and then you want to click on New Project, and then I'm going to use this character right over here. Once you got your character, simply click on it. At the bottom you want to find Copy. Click on Copy. And then now for the second one you want to find Overlay and click on that. So now you want to drag that right underneath it. You can get rid of this ending screen. And then now you want to click on Add Another Overlay. And then you want to add basically a text. I'm going to show you how you can make this text. Simply go to a photo editor or a PixArt. And then all you have to do is find a transparent background from like Google Images and then add your text right over here and click on the save button on the top right hand side. And so this is going to be the text right over here. You're going to adjust it and then basically make it bigger or how to play around with it like that. That looks pretty good. And then now what you want to do is click on the second overlay again. And then at the bottom, you want to find cutout. And then you want to click on remove background. Background has been removed. And then now you want to click on the beans photo again. And simply at the bottom, you want to find layering and put that at 1.